Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Is your girl Pat Yaba. So today I'm taking you guys on a tour of a 120 million naira house in Maitama, Abuja. This house, it has two parlors. Yes, two parlors, one in the first floor and the other one in the second floor. Then it has four bedrooms. Some of my visuals got missing, so I cannot really lay hands on the visuals. Four bedrooms, one kitchen. It has a boys quarter. The boys quarter is just one room. Yeah, one room boys quarter. You can give it that for rent in Abuja. You can give out a boys quarter in Maitama for as high as 700,000-600,000. The house is really fine and spacious and is at the heart of Abuja. I'm telling you guys, it has a generator that is for everybody. NEPA take lights. It's actually serviced. Then there is a swimming pool. The swimming pool is for everybody in the house, so you can actually have like a picnic there, like party, adult party, not children party, because the swimming pool is actually deep, but there's a shallow place of the swimming pool. It's a detached bungalow, as in they are attached to each other, about 5 in that particular compound. Then the next compound, there's another one. It's actually at the high side of Maitama. The house behind is actually like fine houses. If you are a content creator and you're thinking of where to go, my dear, you would use upstairs, you will use middle floor, you use down floor. It's actually fine. And money, my money is good. If you're in this Abuja, you have money. You will buy a lot of things. There are properties actually, it's something people should invest on, because with that you make your money back. Okay guys, let me know about you guys. If you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like and comment. I love you guys. Bye for now.